Hello everybody, this is Samara Ibrahim. Welcome to my child portfolio. Here you are going to find my teaching philosophy as well as an observation and assessment of the child I observe. Additionally, I will be discussing typical development based on the age of the child I was observing. You will be able to see anecdotal notes as well as pictures and the video. At the end, I include summary, goals and objective for the child. Now, let's go to look at my introduction. Here in my introduction, you can read some notes about the child, like his name is Ayan, age, he is 16 months old, what he liked, what he loved, what he preferred to do, some notes about his characters. Let's go to my teaching philosophy. My teaching philosophy expresses my value and belief about teaching and learning as a future educator, and it consists of different aspects of early childhood education that I like to share with you. First of all, my philosophy of teaching is student-centered. As a teacher, it's important for me to understand different learning and teaching styles to benefit of the student. Also, it is my responsibility to design safe, responsive, and nurturing environment that help define the direction of young children's brain development and has the potential for positively influencing all areas of children's development: physical, social, emotional, and cognitive. Moreover, I think it is absolutely necessary to emphasize the importance of the positive of home-school relationship. Families have a unique contribution to make in their children's learning. I also very believe in Piaget theory, who believe that play is an important concept necessary for cognitive growth. Here you can read more details about my teaching philosophy as you read them. Now we will go to typical development. The domains I will be discussing are communication, personal, social, cognitive, and gross and fine motor development. Development milestone is 12 to 18 months old. Now, here you can go to you can read my observation and assessment. Here my observation. Now, here you can read my summary and anecdotal notes. Then I support my summary with some pictures. Here when he's playing the instrument, here when he's jumping on the laundry basket, and other pictures, and one video when he's playing the trampoline. Now take a look at my reflection. This is my reflection about his typical development based on the age and stages, 16-month-old questionnaires. I included some goals and objectives for him. For instance, one of the goals is encouraging his speech and language development. Another goal is reduce his temperament. I suggest some strategy that can help his parent to help him be more expressive with his language skills as well as to stop his temperament. Now, go to my reference. This is the reference that I use to support my observation or my portfolio. Thank you so much.